And we're back, guys, with another how to drive manual video.
Yep. So now we're back again, this time teaching you how to actually use the controls that you learned last time on how to get this car moving.
Yep. Now, time to hop in the vehicle.
Oh wow, that was easy.
Now we're in the vehicle, time to start the car. So what you want to do to start the car is
Grab your keys without sunglasses on them, shove it in there, and then clutch in and brake. And then, well, for me, I press the button again. There you go.
Yep,
Car's on now.
There you go. And don't forget the wiggle.
Yeah, wiggle. You saw me do that?
Waiting for connection.
Now we go in the car.
You already?
Bluetooth connection success.
Okay, so with this clutch pedal, every single time you press it, you're going to remove it or release your foot slowly. And so just get into the habit of slowly releasing it. And every single car has a different bite point, so you're gonna have to feel that out. But mine, it's like right here, it starts grabbing, and then from there, I'm gonna slowly release it. All right, let's do this. Now we're gonna do it for real. First, I'm gonna put my foot on the brake and the clutch all the way in, release the handbrake. Now the car is free to roll. If I get off everything and we were on a hill, it'd start rolling right now because it's in neutral due to the jiggle stick right here.
Yep.
So, to get the car moving, it's best if you start this on a flat surface, but you press the clutch all the way, and then I'm just gonna press the brake so that the car doesn't roll anywhere. Put it into first gear, it's left and up. Remember, you learned how to do that.
In the last video,
Yep, left and up. And then so I'm gonna get off the brake, car's not rolling anywhere because we're on a flat surface. And so I'm gonna slowly release the clutch until the car starts moving. So I'm still going. Now you can see the car is rolling.
We're moving, boys.
And I'm holding my foot there. I'm not getting off of it quickly. A really common problem that beginners do is that whenever the car starts moving, they get off the clutch abruptly, and then the car will shake and come to a stall. So another way you can do that without having to get off the brake is keep your foot on the brake and then slowly start removing the clutch. And when you feel it start grabbing, oh wait, I'm on gear, that's crazy.
Oh, okay, ready?
Yeah. So yeah, keep your foot on the brake and then start slowly getting off the clutch, and when you feel it grabbing, you can see the RPMs are going down and the car is struggling. That's the bite point right there. And then so if you do the exact same thing without your foot on the brake, the car will start rolling. So right there's the bite point, and I'm gonna hold it there.
Oh yeah, we moving, boys.
I know, and that's it. And then from there, you can just turn the traction control off and do this.
Oh yeah! Nothing like a good old first gear donut.
Yep.
Alright, so that concludes how to find the bite point in your car.
Yep.
We'll see you in the next one.